Today we're going to go over a cable pullover. So we're going to work that upper back shoulder area. So you don't need any attachment for this. You can just hold on to the ball. Make sure you've got a good grip and that there isn't anything sharp on the machine that you're using so that you don't cut your hands. You can also hold on to the machine if you'd like, but you don't have to. Okay, I'm not going to hold on today. I'm going to step back a little bit further so that I have more range. Again, no slouching, shoulders back and down. I'm going to do a bit of a hip hinge, so I'm leaning into it. I'm going to loosen my elbow, so make sure you're not hyperextending the elbow, and I'm going to pull that weight down to my hip. Nice and controlled. I'm keeping my arm locked in that position with the loose elbow, so I'm hinging from the shoulder. This movement is different than the tricep extension. In the tricep extension, you can see I'm bending and extending from the elbow. In the pullover, my elbow stays in position and the movement is coming from my shoulder blade area. Okay, hope that helps. Let's give it a try on your next back day.